How to call or contact Lyft driver support. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can call or contact for Lyft driver support. Now, unfortunately, Lyft won't provide you with such details. All you can do is you can head into the help option there on the Lyft app, or you can head into the browser and you can head into the Lyft official Lyft help page there, and you can chat with them, chat with bot specifically, but you won't be able to get the call or contact number. But luckily, what you can do is you can head into your browser there and you can search for Lyft driver support phone number there, and you can see on the Lyft official website it doesn't show any options search. But if you scroll further down below, there you'll see various links that will provide you with Lyft customer support phone number. You can see Lyft customer service phone number, email. Now if you are in the particular region, you can get your customer service here depending on the region. If you head into the second link here, get human, here you can see the Lyft here as well, Lyft phone numbers here. So these are the ways, or this is the way you can call or contact Lyft driver support. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.